Hello everyone, and welcome back to my channel. Just as a footnote here, my upload schedule will be changing to every Saturday beginning this Saturday, so be on the lookout for my latest video. Today we will be discussing cruising. One of my latest videos showed you how you can use the MyVegas app to take a cruise for free or nearly free. If you have not seen the video, I will link it here. In keeping with this theme, I thought it would be a great time to discuss cruising and answer some questions you may have about hitting the high seas. You may be wondering, what are the benefits of cruising? Well, first off, your cruise fare includes the travel to the destination, your room accommodations, food and drink selections that are free or complimentary included, however you want to say it, included entertainment and access to various onboard activities that are also included. This means that once you pay for your cruise, you don't have to worry about paying for any of these items. Next, the cruise ships vary in size, activities, destinations, length of cruise, and ports. So what does that mean to you? This means that you are able to better customize your cruise vacation to fit your interests and your family's specific needs. For instance, are you looking for a romantic cruise? Virgin Cruises might be for you as they are 21 and over only. What if it's a girls' weekend and you want to party? Carnival is known as the fun ships, and in my experience, they have lived up to their name. So how do I know? Let me give you some of my background in cruising. I have been on a total of 4 Carnival cruises. There is a reason why I have only sailed with Carnival, but I will get to that in a moment. I have sailed on the Ecstasy, the Imagination, not once but twice, and the Inspiration. I have taken both the 3 and 4 day cruises, and I am preparing to sail on the lovely Carnival Radiance on a 3-day cruise very soon, which I will be covering once we return from that trip. With this in mind, I would like to give you guys an idea of what it is like to cruise and how to save money. Now, earlier I said I would return to the reason why I have only sailed with Carnival. The reason why I've only sailed with Carnival is because of their VIFP, very important fun person program system or points system. It is super easy to understand. Basically, you get credit for every day you are sailing with them after the first sailing. If your cruise is 14 days, then you have 14 points. If your cruise is 3 days, then 3 points, and so on. So my goal when sailing is always to have fun. I'm not trying to sit here and be in no stuffy stuff. I don't want people trying to tell me, what to do. I want to be able to go and have fun, go to parties, have a few drinks, see maybe a show or two, that type of thing. When you combine the atmosphere of a Carnival cruise, which covers all of that, and their very important fun person system, this is why I have been so loyal. However, I have been looking into other ships, and most ships do have a reward program that is well worth looking into, and I plan on traveling on different lines in the future. So, in my next video, I will be going over how to save money when you book your first cruise, when to book, how the length can affect your price, and how to pay for your cruise. I will also include a couple of tips and trips that I use when booking a cruise for a larger group, say more than 4 people. And it can be done, and it's a lot cheaper. The more people you have in that room, the more money you can save, but I have to caution you, it comes with its own set of challenges. So, once again, thanks a lot for being here. I do enjoy your comments. I do enjoy seeing new subscribers. Thank you for all my new subscribers, and I hope to see you in our next video. Please like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell so you can be notified anytime I drop a video. Thanks a lot for watching, and I hope your travels remain sweet.